Okay, so we have just filled up our forms and finished with the document work, and now we're going to get briefed about the tandem parachute jump. The excitement is building up right now. So I've just finished suiting up. I've got about 15 minutes from now when I have to wait, and they're gonna take me. It's a tandem jump, which means that I'm gonna be tied to another man, and then I'm gonna, dive off the plane. Right now, I'm really not feeling anything at all, but I'm pretty sure at the time when I'll be, boarding the plane, that's when the excitement gets started.
Welcome to UK parachuting.
I'm here for some fun, some excitement, yeah.
Do it every day?
No, it's my first time.
First time today.
Nervous and excited.
Okay. We're both going first time today. Have you met instructors?
Yep.
Yep. Awesome. You happy with them?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's too late to change them now, alright? Awesome. Well, they're both very good, I can guarantee that, alright? And they'll both look after you. And I'll be seeing you on the plane in about 25 minutes, alright?
Great.
Well done.
Thank you.
लूज किया था, देखो लूज किया उसने
बाद में, हाँ, बिकॉज वो लेग्स खींच रहे थे ना मेरी
जब मुझसे लूज किया ना, एक बार नीचे हुआ मैं गया भाई.
So we just had one of the most awesome experience of our lifetime. Just completed our first ever skydive. Feeling great.